I'm Kaizena, and this is my 4th milestone. Here's the sensor. Right, so since my last milestone, I've started on my modifications. I've added these metal bars for when I put on a second layer and 3 ultrasonic sensors. Each one's got 4 pins, power, ground, trigger, and echo. The power is connected to the 5 volts on the Arduino, and the trigger and echo, I combined them through the breadboard and then connected them to a single digital pin on the Arduino. Connecting them works and it saves pin space. For the coding part of this, I set conditions so that if the sensors detect a distance that's greater than 0 centimeters and less than 7 centimeters, then they'll move backwards away from the obstacle. The reason why it needs to be greater than 0 is because if there's nothing in range of the sensors, the distance that it detects is 0 centimeters. That's why you have to make it so you have to specify that the distance range that it'll move backwards at is greater than 0. Some problems I encountered would be that after I got the sensors to work, when moving the Omnibot around, it would pause every single time the sensors pinged, and I found that it was because the interval between each time it pinged was too long. So when I changed it to 50 milliseconds, it moved fine again. Another problem I had was that after I made it so the Omnibot would back away from an obstacle, the wheels kept glitching out, and that was because the batteries were dying. So after charging them, everything was fine except for one sensor. After switching that out for a spare sensor I had, everything worked perfectly.